Kendall.
No, you mean
Or Mickey Mouse. So Mickey Mouse, are you moving with Kendall to the new house?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you please?
Well, you can't go if you don't stop hiccuping. You don't get to go to the new house.
But I'm trying to stop them.
Well, I can't help it. We can't have hiccupers at the house.
Please stop my hiccups.
I will. I'm trying to. I'm trying to give you motivation because you can't go to the new house if you don't stop hiccuping.
Please stop them right now.
Okay,
I am out.
let me hear.
I
heard another one. I heard another one. I keep hearing it.
I am my hiccups.
That's it. I'm taking Minnie with me. Oh, what's the matter, baby? Do you need another bottle? I think she needs another bottle, Ken.
No, she don't need a
Oh,
bottle.
why is she crying?
Because she don't want to go with you.
Listen, every little baby loves their mamaw. She wants to go with me.
No, she don't. But she doesn't want to.
But all my grandbabies want to go with me. Right?
Please stop my hiccups now.
Minnie, you want to go with mamaw? Come on.
Minnie's me too.
Why don't you want to go with your mamaw? I don't want you to go with me if you're going to scream and cry like that.
Oh, well, Mickey, I think Minnie doesn't want to go with her mama.
Yeah, well, I don't want her to if she's going to be a big old crybaby.